Hi, I'm Steve, executive producer on Company of Heroes 3. Welcome to our Company of Heroes 3 co-development Mission Alpha. This Mission Alpha is our first look at one mission from our North African operation. For the first time, players will be able to control the much requested Afrika Korps, which includes both German and Italian forces. You'll battle through the deserts of Libya and Egypt, commanding squads of gustatory infantry alongside panzer tanks and Semovente assault guns. Not only that, but you get to try out new mechanics such as tank riding, towing, traversable trenches, as well as improved vehicle profiles. The mission in this alpha presents a battle near the town of Ajdabia in western Libya in January 1942. Commanding the Afrika Korps, you'll fight to entrap the enemy and destroy the withdrawing forces. Again, this is still an early work in progress, and we still got a lot of work to do before the game launches later this year. So expect a few bumps in the road. We're releasing this Mission Alpha for you to test it out and provide your feedback. If you are new to Company of Heroes or haven't played in a little while, check out the Battle Tips video in the main menu. Also, be sure to hit spacebar during gameplay to bring up the full tactical pause menu and set up some precision plays when the action ramps up. We'd love to hear your feedback. So we're really looking forward to hearing from you on the co-development forums over at community.companyofheroes.com. Have fun, and thanks for helping us make the best Company of Heroes game yet.
Greetings, comrades. My name is Skippy, and I've been creating Company of Heroes content for over 5 years. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing you to the Co-3 Mission Alpha. In this mission, we'll be pushing out the British forces with the long-requested Afrika Korps. A few of the units we get to see so far are Panzer Pioneers, Panzer Grenadiers, HMG-34, LEIG support gun, PaK-38 AT gun, Flak 36 88mm gun, recovery vehicle, Stug 3D, the Panzer III tank, and the Panzer III flame variant. Plus, our first chance to play with Italian units, the Guastatori, which are combat engineers, and the L6 40 light tank. We get to experience a few new mechanics for the first time as well, including towing, tank riding, and vehicle recovery. The Afrika Korps is a faction built around mobility as their key strength. Your army can consist of multiple trucks that bring reinforcements, emplacements, and repairs directly to the front line. To start, it's wise to have a backbone of at least 2 to 3 frontline infantry. From the headquarters building, create a few Panzer Grenadiers to get your army rolling. The mission will also direct you to create an LEIG-18 support gun, which is an artillery piece that comes in handy against static troops and support weapons later on. If you're not as familiar with Company of Heroes, entering your first engagement can be a bit overwhelming, as the action will unfold rather quickly. With this in mind, to play at your own pace, press spacebar to enable a full tactical pause at any time. This will freeze the game and allow you to issue multiple commands at once. When you're done issuing orders, press spacebar again and watch the action unfold. Success depends on using combined arms to overrun the enemy. Use smoke from the Panzer III or from the LEIG-18 support gun to hide your advance. Some units, such as your tanks, can fire without vision by using attack ground or pressing E and clicking into the fog of war. This can be an effective way to clear the garrison buildings even if you don't have line of sight. In turn, the bundle grenade from the Panzer Grenadier can be devastating to British support weapons. When engaging in tank fights, note that the increased chances of penetration will apply on all shots to the sides and rear. This makes positioning your armor rather important. Using reverse on vehicles can be critical to keep your front armor facing the enemy. When the health on your tanks get low, it's time to pull back and get them into fighting shape. Your engineers and recovery vehicle can both assist in repairs, which is a major asset you should use to your advantage. And for the first time ever, a faction's mainline infantry also have a repair ability. But keep in mind that it's a little bit slower. If your infantry gets dangerously low on health, select and press retreat on that squad to send them back to the HQ or nearest outpost. Not only is it more expensive to build new squads, your veteran units have enhanced benefits on the battlefield, so keeping them alive is much more efficient. On the right, you'll notice specific army abilities at your disposal that will become unlocked as you advance in the mission. This is where you can call in the 2 available Italian units, the Guastatori and the L640 light tank, along with a Luftwaffe strafe or bombing run, which definitely comes in handy during the last part of the mission. Company of Heroes 3 now gives an advantage to units with the high ground. Use the vertical nature of the landscape to gain the upper hand over unsuspecting enemy troops. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you when playing the Afrika Korps for the first time. Visit community.companyofheroes.com to join the co-development program and provide feedback directly to Relic. You can also join their Discord or follow @Company of Heroes on your favorite social channel for more. So if you're a fan of Company of Heroes, find me on YouTube and Twitch by searching SkippyFX, and I'll show you just how fun this game can be.
Italian troops have engaged the British forces nearby. They're fighting hard, but it's only a matter of time before they're overwhelmed. We need to provide support by pushing forward with our panzers.
How many times have we thrown a track? And how many times was it my fault?
Smoke canisters to cover our advance.
Driver, throttle up. We don't have all day.
The British anti-tank gun is a formidable threat. Eliminate it.
That Panzer was no match for us!
Philip's dead! He's fucking gone!
Jawohl! Panzer here! Heavy Panzer! Concentrate fire on the turret! What do you need? Come on, crew! Together! Drive or die! Move! Panzer! infantry are siege! God help us! Enemy light Panzer gone! That's another notch! Fueled and ready!
We have lost a squad of Panzergrenadiers.
Try again! Enemy light Panzer gone! That's another notch!
We have defeated the British forces, but more are expected to arrive soon. Return to headquarters and deploy additional troops immediately.
Bloody hell! Here it comes!
Our Italian allies are engaged with the British force attacking from the east. Our goal is to flank and entrap the enemy by capturing two key locations. The trench network to the east is preventing us from pushing northward, while the northeastern fuel depot is vital to support our armor. Whatever happens, we must not let the enemy withdraw to Benghazi. Flank and trap the British forces, then eliminate whatever troops remain. Panzergrenadiers have been mustered.
Build or destroy. We can do either. Pioneers, we have orders to move out. Jawohl!
The recovery vehicle allows us to strengthen our forces by restoring disabled vehicles. Currently, we can restore either a Sturmgeschütz assault gun or a Panzer equipped with a flame projector.
Christian, shut it, would you? On your feet, pioneers! Achtung, crew! Yes, we can do that. Christian, confirm heading. I'll get us there. Commandant?
Now use the recovery vehicle to fully repair your armor.
Moving to location! On the double!
Our primary goal is to flank the British forces to cut off their escape. In order to achieve that goal, we must capture two locations, the trenches and the fuel refinery.
Don't let that infantry close the gap! Shit, mate! You was close! Get it fucking done, Lola!
We're here, Commandant! Move in, crew!
Pioneers, we are being called upon. We are getting out of here.
Get this panzer rolling! We're not expecting trouble, right?
Utility vehicle, here, understood. Awaiting your command. We stand ready to back up to full force. Jawohl.
Move orders!
Come on, Jerry! Try again!
Weapon and crew! Oh, here! Come on, man! This way! Eager to go! High explosive barrage! On my mark! What the stuff? That almost hit me! Fuck!
Here! Catch him in the open!
Enemy troopers knocked out! Eyes open for stragglers! Crew, pay attention! Driver, ahead full! Don't wait for permission! Fucking drive!
Target! Launch completed!
Infantry firing at us! Asho, open up!
We have our destination.
Traverse! Don't let them flank! Fire! My troops are ready! I would rather than a halberd! You know! Taking damage! Where are they? Gunner! Wing around! Targets behind us! Enemy infantry destroyed! Reload!
We are ready and we've got our orders. Now move out.
Artillery incoming!
Let's move! What's gonna be, driver? Throttle up. We don't have all day. Engines running. Driver, ahead full.
Tread carefully, men. There are mine markers nearby. With the right equipment, our Panzer Pioneers can detect and defuse mines.
Pioneer squad stands ready for order. Get under cover!
Side armor! They're hitting us!
Don't give an inch of ground! Bring down those troopers! Achtung, pioneers! This is hopeless! Retreat!
What will it be? Fixed round! HE barrage!
Waiting on you! Get this panzer rolling. We're not expecting trouble, right?
Let's infantry fire! Let's not miss it! Attack the trucks! They're on our side! Everywhere! Kill this squad of infantry! What do you need, Leitpanzer? Ha! He's 6-star armor! They're hitting us! Bastards are behind us! Under fire! Infantry! Move! We are promoted! Keep auto-loaded! Leitpanzer target! Leitpanzer was no match for us! Good luck, driver! Move! Promotion, boys! Maybe we get to leave at last! Don't let them fly! Leitpanzer was no match for us! Good rate! Fire! It's going fucking everywhere! Follow your orders! Drive or die! Move!
Build or destroy. We can do either. Squad numbers back at full.
Ready for orders! All these half-tracks and you can't give us one!
Panzer ready!
Enemy target ahead! Crew,
Ready for orders!
position! Understood, Commandant.
Where's the fucking AT gun?
Awaiting your command.
Orders, crew! Panzer! Engaging on sight! Yes, sir!
Pioneers are pinned!
High explosive barrage! Fucking
Panzer! Taking damage! Good luck, driver! Move! Panzer crew has received a promotion! Machine gun ahead! Infantry fire! Pay attention! Taking damage! Where are they?
Just keep bloody loading!
Enemy back! Knocked out!
What's good effect on? Stop everything!
Depend on us to capture it. Let's advance, Pioneers! Pioneers will see it is done.
Commandant, you need us. Orders acknowledged.
do you require? Pioneers will see it is done.
We're receiving you! Utility vehicle confirms!
Pioneer squads. Jawohl.
Weapon and crew! Here!
What will it be? Panzer is moving.
Yes, sir? I know the engine's hot. Everything's hot.
AT-gun! They ripped us apart! Damn it!
Hey, listen! Heading to your grid point!
Anti-tank destroyed! We live to fight another day!
Utility vehicle, get in gear. We have a heading.
We've got our orders. Now move out. Understood. Get to our destination, men. Let's go. Move your feet.
Panzer on standby! We have a heading. Let's move.
Pioneers, we are go in. We are ready. Orderly advance. We stand ready to receive orders.
How many times have we thrown a track? And how
What
many
do you
times
require?
was it my fault?
Well done. The trenches are under our control. Now we push north before the British can respond.
Waiting on you! Panzer is moving!
A powerful towed 88mm anti-tank gun is en route to our location. We should deploy it near the trenches in preparation for an armored assault.
The heat is on, crew! We fight!
Utility vehicle standing by. Coordinates received, Commandant.
Enemy light Panzer gone! That's another notch!
Eager and ready.
We have a heading. Let's move. Keep auto-loaded! Light Panzer target!
attack is in position. We should crew the anti-tank gun and face it northward to prepare for the arrival of the British troops.
Stop what you're doing!
Christoph, take the lead.
Enemy Panzer wants a duel! Give them
Where
a
is
duel!
he now?
Enemy light Panzer gone! That's another notch!
Move orders!
My crew needs orders! Get this Panzer rolling! We're not expecting trouble, right?
Pioneer squad, on your feet, pioneers!
Driver! Ahead, full! Radio silence! We have a target! Promotion! Enemy infantry destroyed!
Build or destroy. We can do either.
Driver, throttle up! We don't have all day.
Oi! Who's got a clip?
Pioneer squad at the fire on those men!
Stop the tracks! They're on our side!
Ready to act! Bring down that tank! Watch the crossfire! Ready for action! We have orders!
Catch him in the open! Cover his position!
Pioneers ready!
Stop! The order's coming!
Await them all!
They say the best strudel is made of humble.
We are ready and
We're
waiting.
moving! Otto, back in your seat! Orders, crew! Panzer ahead! Clear the breach! Jawohl! Side
Moving outside!
They're hitting us!
Achtung! Back to the objective! Pioneers moving to take location!
Fueled and ready! Kitchen light roll, sir! Get this fucking fight and win! Light fight wasn't a match for us! Crew, pay attention! Don't wait for permission! Fucking drive! Retrofit incoming! Enemy infantry! I want to warm welcome! This is the out! Together!
Infantry taking losses here!
Keep Roger loaded! Fueled and ready! Fight the target! Let's face! Don't waste
You touching clock or what?
Promotion!
Awaiting
I
your
would rather
command.
than a halberd! You know! Side armor! They're hitting us! What is it?
Pioneers, move out!
Traverse! Enemy Panzer out of action! Command watcher! They're hitting the thin armor! Bring us to bound! Panzer! charging!
Ja, jawohl!
What do you need?
Take cover! Enemy artillery!
Protect the tracks! They're on our side!
Do something! Stop us being hit!
My crew is ready! Target sighted! Engage! Funds are gone! That's another notch! Captain, glory will be ours!
Pioneer Squad at the ready! Verdammte Schweine!
Forward!
Why do ready for action?
Taking damage! One side destroyed! I expect nothing less, crew!
Achtung, Pioneer! Get out of here! Retreat!
What's it up, driver? Move! Oh, bloody hell! Here- Infantry defeated!
Christian, shut it, would you? Get in gear. We have a heading. Moving to new location. Commandant, you need us.
Enemy armor destroyed! Shit! He's fast!
Guastatori killed at the front.
Stop what you're doing!
Pioneers, let's advance, Pioneers! Back up to full force. Let's go! Move your feet!
Yes, sir.
Pioneers, we have orders to move out.
Engines running!
We stand ready to receive orders. I want an orderly advance. We've got our orders. Now move out.
Yes, sir. I know the engine's hot. Everything's hot.
We're here, Commandant! We must fire back! Get me loaded! What do you need? Target engaged! Fire! Don't let it overheat! Control your fire!
Engage the enemy!
Don't offer those rifles targets!
Attack the soldiers!
Quickly!
Move out! Now! Austrian chocolate is good, yeah. Let's engage! Attack the soldiers! Make your shot bring down those troopers! Enemy destroyed! Enemy destroyed! Understood!
Utility vehicle standing by.
Looks bumpy up ahead. Hold on.
What will it be?
Excellent work, men. The area is secure and the British forces are cornered. Our spotters have reported that the British troops are attempting to withdraw to the northwest. We cannot allow that to happen. There is a village nearby. Capture it and blockade the road to prevent the British from escaping. Move the 88mm anti-tank gun up to defend the roads into the village against the British assault. Yes, we can do that.
Commander Christian, confirm heading. I'll get us there.
Commandant?
Get this Panzer rolling. We're not expecting...
Weapon crew here!
Panzer confirms.
Standing by! We hear you! Moving now! Crew, we have a target! No idea what it is.
We're receiving you. Coordinates received, Commandant.
My crew is Panzer has a target! Confirmed! Target destroyed! What do you need? Traverse! I want eyes on the target!
Overheating!
Under heavy fire!
Throw me a clip! I'll cover
Orders,
you!
driver! Ahead full! Anti-tank weapon! Godspeed, crew! Panzer is moving! Panzer! Reporting! Driver! Miley! Driver, throttle up! We don't have all day!
Achtung, crew! Moving to location. On the double.
Good work. The Flak 36 is a powerful addition to our long range arsenal. We can use our mobile squads to find targets for it. Now we should set up the Flak 36 to cover the roads into the village.
I know the engine's hot. Everything's hot. We're being flanked!
Standing by! Crew, we have a job to do!
They seem to damage
Fire! Infantry! Crew! Panzer on standby! Driver! Forward!
What do you require?
Anybody see him?
Command those talent when they see it!
Driver, give it everything we have! Watch the fire! Near the breach! Load the beat! They're hitting the center armor! Bring us the power! We kill this squad of infantry!
We stand ready to receive orders.
All these half-tracks can't give us one! Hunter target!
Eager and ready! Get moving! Schnell!
cover!
Good shooting! Infantry down!
HE barrage!
Build or destroy. We can do either. Understood. HMG team is silenced! Everyone still with us? Pronti alla lotta!
We have a heading. Let's move. Where's the fucking 18
Firing until they're all dead!
Attack the tracks!
Don't expend it!
Commandant! Chauffeurs! Don't let them fly! Faster! Or I'll give us your seat! God help us! Panzer drive! Move! I expect nothing less, crew! Forward! Keep pace! Panzer's open fire! Good!
Rounds are coming closer!
My crew needs orders!
Pioneers will see it is done.
Orders! Enemy Panzer out of action!
Guastatore will deal with it.
Eager to go! Come on, man! This way!
Crew, don't wait for permission! Fucking drive!
Under rifle fire!
Come on, Jerry! Try again!
Cover his position!
Stick to cover! Enemy infantry killed!
Well done. We have control of the village. Intercept and destroy the withdrawing British troops by setting up defenses here or taking up positions along the main road.
Flamethrowers here! You're a mess! Get cleaned up!
Each other.
Pioneer squad stands ready for order.
Engines running!
Pioneers, we are being called upon.
Get this panzer rolling! We're not expecting trouble, right?
Ordini?
Prepare yourselves, men. The British troops are approaching.
We have engaged on...
Take it, damn it!
Shit me! Taking losses here!
Like that, dancing no more! Come on! Take it! Driver! Move! Target confirmed! Fire!
Confirm! Kill! Not
Target! Contact! Keep us out of effective range! Open fire! Loader! Stay on it!
Artillery incoming!
Panzer destroyed! I expect nothing less true! Panzer has a target! Forward!
Utility vehicle! I know! I hear it! Clear out! Move!
Confirm. Enemy light panzer.
Fueled and ready!
Ingegneri receiving enemy fire!
Target!
Boy!
Cover!
Rangers fire! We have a target!
My efforts have been rewarded!
They're promoting us! Why? Can anybody see him?
Retreat!
What is it? Another notch!
Get over there!
Side armor! They're
Standing by,
hitting us!
Commandant!
Look out! Forward! Enemy keep base!
Take cover! Enemy artillery!
Taking damage! Where are they? Oh, bloody hell! Eric! Gunner! Swing around! Targets behind us!
No!
Panzer! Reporting!
Well done, men. The enemy forces have been defeated.